Hi, in this tutorial, we will see how we can add customers to the application. We have two ways to add customer. First option is to go to the customer module in the menu and click on Add Customer. You will then get this page where you need to fill all the necessary information. The fields with red star are mandatory. Once you fill all the required fields, you can also attach multiple documents that belong to this customer, like license copy, ID copy, etc. Once all is done, you click on the Save button, and you will be redirected to your customers list, where you will see the new customer added to that list. The second option is to have all your customers in an Excel sheet and upload them at once instead of adding one by one. First, you need to download the Excel sample and fill it without changing the cells format or the headings. Profile type. You need to choose one of the options in the list, individual or company. Group name. You need to type it exactly how it is in your customer groups, respecting capital letters. It is better to open your customer groups list and copy then paste it into the Excel sheet. As we have chosen an individual customer, we will not enter the company name, email, and phone, but we need to enter the contact person name, phone, and email, which is mandatory. Country and city. We can either fill them or leave them empty. If it is empty, the system will save by default Tanzania as the country and Dar es Salaam as the city. In case we need to add license number and expiry date, please enter the date in this format: month, day, year. Any change will result to a wrong date, which you can always go and edit it in the system. If you add credit limit, the Excel cell will not accept any comma between numbers. Please do not change the cell format. Same goes for opening balance. If you have an opening balance, please select debit or credit. If not selected, the system will enter it as debit by default. Opening balance date format should be same format: month, day, year. If left empty, the system will save the current date as opening balance date by default. If you would like to assign a salesperson for this customer, you can copy and paste the salesperson first name and last name respectively. This employee should be first added as salesperson before you can assign them. Please make sure that your Excel sheet doesn't contain more than 100 records for fast process of the data. You can then save your Excel sheet and close it. You go back to customers list. Click on Choose File, select the Excel file that you have just saved, and click on Import Customers List. On successful upload, you will see all your customers added to the list below. In case any change is required, you can go to Action button and click Edit. Here you can make all the edits you like and click Save. If you have added any opening balances, transactions will be created. You can see them by clicking on Chart of Account, Transactions, Transaction List. That's all for this video. I hope it was informative, and see you in the next one.